Dear peeps, welcome to another great adventure. We're doing a shoppers here getting some liquor stuff to go up on the river. So, we're there once more. And we like all of the food people. Thank you. We love what I go out with. Yeah man, we love the vibes. Keep on like and share the videos them. Yeah man, we love that man. Pick up on the as I say, we're doing a shoppers here. I pick up one or two things, we go up on the river. We burn some fire. We're there man.
Brother, you know, pick up the color low, brother. Time, you have time, you know, on a scallion. Yeah, check up on a scallion. Carrots. You see how much a carrot? $400. Yeah, I say if I sit on the tree. If I doubt you, I go sit on the tree anyway. Oh, yeah, bell pepper. We never take one bell pepper can do. But so we are steam color low. Oh, you take up the color low already?
Nothing less.
Nothing less so. Put this in on. I go get one case of water too, so I go take up one night travel. Put them in there.
This is too big man, you have full. We have full it. We have full this goods.
Yeah, they get tomato?
Yeah, we get two of them.
Two of them. Plum here. Bean for going at it. Take up one of them. Yeah, I only need a case of water. I will taste this same one. What is it? Local seed? Yeah guys. Yeah, so we are get this stuff them. We are gonna need to shoot the video today. So today are some sorrel rice. Yo man, yo look what the man about it now. Yo, it's a war drive. What a drive, what about it? Eh?
If you look where you walk.
Left dog in the store for cash. I go pick up one small bag, put the item them in. So we are check out one new location today. Never come here before. Big old cotton tree. I'm not sure if we have the location right. Okay, I'll check. Like we lost. Guys, as I say, we not even know if we have. Yeah man, I hear someone, I must hear someone. Yeah people, look who they on the vlog again. Chef Gear himself.
Yes man, they are today, you know, live and in person. You know?
French fried chicken foot boss. Hot steppers. Hey, last week I see the German lady comment on the video on TikTok, you know, when I say, oh, I want my best taste in chicken foot. Yeah, man.
I'll come back when I go on the city. Shoot me already.
Yeah, guys, so in today's video, we have some cow tongue with bean, cooked on with coconut milk, sorrel rice, and a little steamed veg on the side, same way. So we link up with Chef Gear, because Chef Gear say a cow tongue you want today for eat, so You know, we are going to teach Chef Gary how Caribbean vibes cooking, how we cook the cow tongue with beans, you know. Because he's going like I'm alone can cook cow tongue and beans, so we are going to show him few way I hit today, guys. Yes, so see cow tongue there. Yeah, so I already clean up already, it. We just put in our hot water and scrape off it. The outside, which are the taste bud, scrape off it. You see, cow tongue. Cow tongue there. Taste, you see that? Taste there, guys. You know my hide about. Hold on, wait. Taste back on the surface again.
Hello guys, good afternoon. How are you guys doing today? We're having cow tongue cooked down in what? Coconut milk and bean.
Yeah.
First time trying it. First time I'm gonna eat cow tongue, so can't wait. Yeah. I never know if cow tongue big still.
Yeah, then you say cow big.
We think it's just that look up out there on the top of the tongue. No. The wrist like that. Chew it wide.
No. Why if this a cow that is alive, the whole line tongue mash up, because I cut up the whole of it right now. The cow tongue cooked down with coconut milk and bean today. So in a throat hole, you have bone in it and grizzle. So you have to use the machete to cut these parts. Because the knife now can manage your bone. Watch the camera. And the cow tongue clean up already. So just cut up and wash off with some vinegar or lime juice. Prefer off your choice, but I use lime juice today. Chef Gary, man himself.
Fire ready, fully using. The boss, Chef Gary.
Yeah man, there, so I say long time no touch a vlog, so I say alright, you know, I have to touch it today. Yes. So I say, even though I do nothing still, but you know that I have to support, I have to go and support. So I say, roast our cow tongue in my cook.
Oh.
Right, yeah, man. Yeah, happy there.
What you say you're not doing nothing today, what you mean? You're not going to eat?
Yeah?
You're not going to eat?
Yes man.
Oh, so that you come back today? Eh? More than laugh, make people head over your come
out. Me like said and do a video or you know.
Oh. Then suppose me and dog go relax and gate. Yeah. You're there on the front foot now, so we supposed to kick back, you know.
I think this, you know, my camera shy. Yeah.
So you go, man. Add the lime juice over there. Cow tongue. So let's use my hands and massage the cow tongue in the lime juice. Help you break down the excess slime. So I'm going to make it sit for about 10 minutes in the lime water. So just going to add some water on it to cover it. Add some more water, make it sit. Yes. Good job. So in the meantime, we are going to prepare our green seasons. Scallion, onion, thyme, bell pepper, garlic.
Jump off. Let's jump off.
Yeah,
Wow, big swimmer.
Not jump out, man.
You have to jump up and see a stone there. You don't want to kill yourself. Right there.
Current strong.
Strong.
So your peeps, we are going to squeeze up the soil rice and we are going to add in some salt. Normally we don't use, we black people don't use measurings. Oh, what you call it measuring?
Ladle.
Ladle.
We use judgment.
Judgment, we just dash in some salt in that pot.
Yeah, I sizzler part.
Oh.
That is one trait of a good chef.
Yeah.
You have to have judgment when cooking. It come like driving. You have
Piece
to
of
have good
butter.
judgment.
Yes,
No.
man.
The amount of salt, the amount of seasoning you use,
Yeah.
have to have good judgment.
Yes, man. Some pimento seed.
That's why cooking is an art and everybody, you know.
A green pepper. Piece of thyme. Half a bell pepper. 3 cloves of garlic. Some onion. And some chopped up scallion. Piece of ginger.
Sorry, rice it was full of flavor today. I think I third time now we had the sorrel rice. Yeah, so we invent the recipe.
Drop in a
there,
piece
you
of
know.
ginger. I'm going to stir it up and I'm going to leave it to boil up, and then when it boil up, we throw in the soil.
I'm gonna season the cow tongue. So here I have my green seasons, thyme, onion, garlic, bell pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, ginger. Adding all of them. Yeah. So for my dry powdered seasoning, garlic powder. Can't cook without garlic. Some all-purpose spice, mixed powdered season. Also I go add some of the all-time great, right, Chef Gary, Maggi. Can't cook without Maggi, you know.
I'll be a girl, so we have to cook with Maggi.
Yeah. So we are going to add some soya sauce. Gentle, because you know soya sauce is a salt-based product, same way. So you don't want to overpower your meat with salt. And we are add some of the best browning, you know, Eve browning. So we are going to rub in, you know. Yeah. Just enough browning just to change the meat color a little bit. And I want the meat to dark and black. Yeah, cut up the rasta.
So yes, peeps, if I boil up now, so I get the sorrel them cut up, wash them off already, so I cut them up and put them in a pot, I put a boil up. Sorrel rice, cow tongue cook down in a coconut milk with bed, and look a vegetable on the side. Rich, watch it. I'll get in a pot now.
You're afraid of camera now?
No.
Alright, ready?
That's me like for a week, I'll do Get in the rice right pot.
Whoa. Sorrel rice.
So there, we're going to leave by tree and we're on it.
Rain, but you know say rain on top of pot today.
Yeah.
Right, Chef Gear?
Yeah, man.
Rain or shine, man. Pot of the road. Yeah, on top it. Yeah, Father God are doing work, you know?
I'm going to stir the rice, you know. Tell me what you do, you cook rice or you steam rice?
Cook it and then steam it afterwards.
Okay, sir. So that's what we're going to do. We cook the rice and then we get the steam. Fully active.
Add in the meat.
Pot hot boy. Pot hot, you see that?
More balls in tongue.
I'm gonna add some pimento seed in it. I'm gonna cover and allow the meat to spring water.
I know we always prepare, you know. Always prepare. Yeah. Put it out to the out, man.
Yo, I said.
Yeah, I add a cup of coconut milk. And a coat of. Allow the coconut milk to cook. Here we are going to steam some vegetables. We'll add some carrots. Add some carrots. We'll cut out some of this stuff here. Fresh thyme, onions, scallion, tomato, garlic. Steam bell pepper in ice also. Steam look color look, add a little pinch of salt. I'm going to add a little piece of butter. Yeah, cow say you want dinner. I'm going to allow it to steam by covering the pot. Yeah.
Nice little stream. Oh. So we know we find a nice little location in here. Yeah, nice little stream. So they are one place, one park. Really active. Oh.
Add a little piece of butter. Now the cow tongue. I don't know what make cow mouth stuck in my head.
I love cow.
Yeah. Add a little piece of butter. And we are going to re-season again. So I'm going to start by adding a piece of fresh thyme, carrot, pepper, onion, scallion, tomato. I'm going to allow our green season to cook. And then add in the bean. And cooking these things take a lot of patience and time. Because about 2-3 hours up on the fire now. Yeah. So most likely would I recommend to use a pressure cooker.
Yeah.
So if you are the patient, you can go natural because we're the outdoors. So you know, we don't really remember if we carry pressure cooker. Dog no carry it.
Pressure cooker drop out.
So now I go add in the bean. Allow the pot to dry down a little bit more. So you need a 1 minute. So the bean are the last thing. Add in it.
I like goat. Okay. So I'm cold on my pasture.
Pot ready. This they're hungry guys. Everybody hungry to this one.
Yeah, you should finally come and show.
Yeah, do honors this week, you know.
Yeah.
Yo, go up sir brother, go up sir. We don't want to hear you for the vlog brother. Add some of the steamed vegetable, you know. Oh, look delicious. Oh, look delicious today, you know? Swear. Self-serve. Self-serve.
You come and look, man. I
What's my run up of that? Where I go?
Come in, Chef Gear. Tell singer bye-bye.
Yeah, man. Nice. Long time no eat cow tongue, you know. One of my favorite parts of cow. You see me I say?
Boy, I kiss it out.
That's where I go. Yeah. Cow tongue people. Very nice. And bean,
Sorry,
sour
man.
rice, bad. You hear me? Even though I'm not saying no sour in my rice because dog chop you up too fine. But
Cook out it like perfect.
nice.
Yeah.
Which video? A picture me I take girl, you know, so we have to take picture for you vlog you.
Sunday dinner. Sour rice, cow tongue, steamed vegetable. Very nice.
Take it away.
First time trying cow tongue. First time
You
I'm
cook
trying.
You cook it already?
No, I first me eat it.
Oh.
Nice man.
With bean. What's her name? Brad bean.
Yes,
First
we-
time trying it, it tastes nice. Vegetable. I'm not eating now. What's the Lord?
Yeah, peeps. I eat my food now. And it's a cow tongue with bean, cooked down in a coconut milk. Got me some vegetable with sour rice.
Guys, me say this a man a different. A pay pork this a man I want to eat for the channel.
Nah, kiss no cow.
This a man on mind 7 days a week a pork cook. It can't
No,
be
sir.
like that, brother.
No, sir.
Oh.
Never say that. But I got some vegetable and sour rice. Yeah, man. People, the girl don't tell you. Cow tongue with bean, cooked down in a coconut milk with sour rice. Nice.
Chef Gear like you want one another portion, man.
Nice man. Food nice, trust me. The cow tongue nice one. Yeah man, very nice rice a Sunday here. Cow tongue nice. Bad. See them, I just get you and it done already to blood clean. Yeah man, right on the river here. Nice little settings in nice Sunday here.
Yeah guys, it's a joy to see unity amongst us. You know, my Chef Jerry come from way back. You can see we link up. You know, everybody busy, you know, with the personal life and work, but we never too busy to find time for our friend them and cook and You just have a good time on the river. First time we are shoot video at location and I really like it. Just because the place kind of muddy because we're still in a rainy season. You know, so just imagine when time get dry. Yeah, man. Croton and bean. Nice.
Yeah, man, a good look.
Taste the coconut milk and not overcook. Take time, man. Food nice, man.
Yes, man.
Yeah, guys. Respect.
Yeah, man, don't know it, man. Like up a video them, share up a video them, subscribe to the channel. Yeah, man, like up a video them. Yeah, man, fully active. Caribbean Vibes team, we're out on a Sunday. Yes.
Let's go, let's go. Let's go, come pick out, what's that?
Peter Pete to come back from town. Yeah. Oh, come back from town, Pete. You man look back in the pot again. What is someone else do?
Yeah, man, I just some sauce, you know.
Oh, I think I'm second time.
Yeah, man, I just some sauce, people. I just some sauce. I mean, a man love sauce, you know.
Yeah. The liquor clean.
Body of feet.
You did not hungry too. I remember them saying
Look at this here.
I first made the cotton, you cotton nice. Nice vegetable on the side.
But me have to help him eat the
And
cars.
sorry rice. You did fuck up something I cook good.
Yes, good.
Yes, good.
I mean,
I go down, I go down, I can't look after me now. I go down, I have to go sleep.
You like up a video.
me I go down on him again, I'm mad.
Video fuck.
I like to cook on the cow tongue video. No? When cow in there. The man cow upon it. Fully active. Out, man. Please remember to like and share and comments. Caribbean Vibes. Like up a video then. Soon in the next video. Bye bye.